Hey guys, welcome to the How-To channel. Have you ever wondered how to clean your bathroom sink if you don't have a sink cleaning spray or a sink cleaning pasta? In this video, I will show you how to remove all of these blobs of toothpaste, makeup spills, soapy residue and hard water spots using nothing else but a simple washing detergent. The major component in most washing detergents are alkalis, soluble salts which are effective in removing dirt and stains. And they also contain potassium and sodium, which are great grease removers. To have maximum effect from this washing detergent, we will wash this sink just a little bit so that everything is a little bit wet. Then this washing detergent will stick better to the sink surface. Now spread your detergent all over this wet sink surface. Once this detergent is spread out all over this sink, we will wait 10 to 15 minutes just to allow the alkalis and chemicals in the detergent to dissolve and start eating away in a toothpaste, residue and hard water stains. 15 minutes later, take a wet sponge, nothing too hard, but you can use this harder part of the sponge to scrub that detergent a little bit more into the sink. Make sure you go over all dirty spots, clean your faucet using the same detergent and clean your sink drain as well as possible. In my experience, using this washing detergent is even better than using traditional chemical products that can damage your sink. If your washing detergent can damage your clothes, for sure it cannot make any damage to your sink. Make sure to pay special attention to all hard water residue spots. All that is left to do is to wipe everything off with a clean cloth. If there are some hard spots left, you can always repeat the same process with the detergent just on that hard spot. Now, was that easy or what? Look at that baby, spotless faucet. Shiny like a new one. That was the easiest way to clean your bathroom sink if you don't have any special cleaning products, and in my experience you don't need any special cleaning products to clean your house. There are a lot of household items you can use for cleaning tricks, and some of those tricks you can check out in these suggestions right here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Check out these suggestions and I will see you in the next one.